students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today we are discussing class 9th topic, that is linear equations in two variables. So let's start with the topic. Our first question is, an equation is given to you, 2x plus y is equals to 7, and you have to find out 4 solutions to the given equation. Whenever this type of question comes that you have to find out 2 solutions or 4 solutions to the given equation, what you have to do is select any value of x. It is up to you. Whatever value you want to select, you can take as x 0, 1, 2, 20, 30, 100, any value you can take. Take any value of x. Suppose I take x as 0. Whatever value you are taking, you have to put that value in the given equation. 2 into 0, because this is 2 multiply x and x is 0, plus y is 7. Here y comes 7. So x is 0. Whenever you write the coordinates, this first is your x and second is your y. So this comes out to be 0, 7, and this is the first solution of the given equation. Right? To find the next solution, put x equals to 1. It is up to you. You can take any value. Put x equals to 1. Y comes out to be 7 minus 2, 5. That means x is 1, y is 5 is the another solution. Second solution. Now what you have to do? You have to find the third solution. Put x equals to 3. 2 into 3 plus y is 7. 2 3s are 6. 6 from left hand side goes to right hand side, goes subtracted. 1. That is x is 3, y is 1 is the third solution of the given equation. Put x equals to 4. 2 into 4 plus y is 7. 2 4s are 8. 7 minus 8 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is another solution. Right? So in this way you can find out different solutions to the given equation. If you want to check that whether we are finding the solution right or not, put any solution. Suppose this is 3, this is 1. Put this solution here. 2 3s are 6. Left hand side equals to right hand side. That means our solution that we have found out is correct. So in this way you can check also that whether we are finding the correct solution or not. Now the next question is, you have to check that whether 0 and 2 is the solution of the given equation or not. 0 and 2 means or not. Just put the values and check whether left hand side is equals to right hand side or not. If left hand side and right hand side are equal, that means this is a solution, otherwise it is not the solution. Next we are going to do, it is given x is 2, y is 1 and 2x plus 3y is k. You have to find the value of k. This is the question given to you. While finding the solution, x is 2, y is 1. Put here x is 2, y is 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. So k comes out to be 7. So this is the final solution given to you. Now, suppose the question is given to you. To 3y minus 2. They are asking whether this will have one solution, two solutions, or infinitely many solutions. So what will be the answer? The answer will be infinitely many solutions, because there are different solutions whenever we solve an equation. Suppose you put the value of x1, it will be 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 by 3 will be answer for y. Suppose, let me explain. Suppose here I put x is 1. So this become 2 1s are 2, 3y minus 2, 2 plus 2 is 3y, 4 by 3 is y. Now I put x2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Yani, for every different value of x, there is a different value of y. So we can say that is it will have infinitely many solutions, it will not have a single solution. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.